Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video we will be finding the value of x in this question. All right, now let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's understand what we have from the question. So we know that a garden in the shape of a trapezium is split into three parts. Alright, so we have flower beds in the shape of a triangle and a parallelogram, and a section of grass is in the shape of a trapezium also, which is right here. Alright guys, now we also know that the area of the grass, which is the trapezium in the middle, is 2.5 times the total area of the flower bed, which is the parallelogram and the triangle. Alright, now let's use this understanding to find the value of x. Now first of all guys, question A, they are telling us to find the area of each flower bed. Alright, so first of all let's go ahead and find the area of the triangle flower bed. Alright, so how would we find the area of a triangle, boys and girls? We take the base multiplied by its height and divided by 2, right guys? So what is the base of the triangle? We have 4 meter multiplied with 8 meter divided by 2, right guys, which is equal to 32 meter square divided by 2, which is 16 meter square. So the area of the triangle flower bed is 16 meter square. All right, now let's go ahead and find the area of the parallelogram now, right? Parallelogram. I know it's a bit hard to pronounce, right, for some of you guys. So how would we find the area of the parallelogram, guys? We take the base multiplied with height, right? Base times height. So what is the base in this case? We have 3 meter multiplied with 8 meter, which is equal to 24 meter square. All right guys, which is equal to 24 meter square. Now next guys, what do we know from this question? They are asking us to find the area of the grass, right? So let's find the area of the grass. So B, so we know that the area of the grass is 2.5 times of the area of the triangle and the parallelogram, the flower beds, right? So we know that the triangle, the flower beds, is equal to 16 meter square plus 24 meter square, which is equal to 40 meter square, right? Therefore the area of the grass, so the grass guys, is 2.5 times, so 2.5 multiplied with 40 meter square, which is equal to 100 meter square, right guys? From the question we know that the area of the grass is 2.5 times the area of the flower beds. All right, and now knowing this, we can find the value of x. Now how do we find it, guys? So we know that the area of the trapezium is equal to 100, right? So we know that the area of the trapezium is 100. Now how would we find the area of the trapezium, boys and girls? We take the sum of the parallel sides multiplied by height and divided by 2, right? So let me call it b1 plus b2 multiplied with height and all of it over 2, right guys? Now what do we have here? We have 100 is equal to, so one of the parallel side is 10 meter plus the other one is x, right, is x, and all of this multiplied with height. The height of it is 8 meter and all of it divided by 2, right guys? Now of course when we come here, there are several ways to solve it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify 2 with 8, right? So 2 will change to 1 and 8 will change to 4, right guys? So what we have now, we have 100 is equal to 10 plus x multiplied with 4, correct guys? Now again guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transpose 4 to the other side. So I have 100 over 4 is equal to 10 plus x, right guys? 100 over 4 is equal to 10 plus x. Now let me continue here. Let me continue right here. So what is 100 over 4, boys and girls? We have 25, right? 25 is equal to 10 plus x. And subtracting both sides with 10, we have 25 minus 10 is equal to x. Therefore the value of x, guys, x is equal to 15 meter. All right, Pretty easy, isn't it? And that is how we would find the value of x from this question, guys. All right, now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on that like button, guys, and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. All right, until next time, guys, have a nice day.